Hi there, this is Simon, Personal Finance Coach. You may have never heard of national public data, yet your social security number may have been compromised in the company's recent massive data breach. The breach was publicly announced and acknowledged in August of 2024. In an official data breach notice, national public data indicated that 2.9 billion personal records may have been compromised, affecting millions of people. The information, in addition to social security numbers, may have included names, email addresses, phone numbers, and mailing addresses. National Public Data is a background check company that provides information either through legitimate sources or by scraping it off the web. Because the data is collected more casually, it can be gathered without consumer permission and is outside of certain regulations. Many Americans are wondering if they've been personally affected and what to do next. This video is about what you can and should do to protect yourself from leaked social security number dangers. Before we dive in, please subscribe to this channel for updates on future videos. The consequences of a data breach can be severe and long-lasting, affecting individuals and families. Leaking of social security numbers poses several dangers. With your social security number and other personal information, criminals can commit credit card fraud by applying for credit cards, loans, and other lines of credit without your knowledge, damaging your score when they default on payments. Criminals can file fraudulent tax returns using your social security number and to claim refunds on your behalf. Criminals can use your social security number to commit medical theft by accessing your medical records and receiving healthcare services in your name. Criminals can also commit utility fraud by opening utility accounts in your name, leaving you liable for unpaid bills. Data breaches can have severe consequences, including financial loss, damage to reputation, loss of trust, and legal implications. So what can you do to protect yourself? The first thing you can do is to find out if the National Public Data Breach included your personal data. Site npd.pentester.com allows you to check if your personal information may be compromised in the breach. All you need for the check is your first name, last name, your state, and year of birth. If you find you are included in the breach, the first step you should do is to freeze your credit with each of the three major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and Transunion. Even if you are not affected by the breach, it is a good idea to put a freeze on your credit with the bureaus. The freeze will block access to your credit by bad actors, and it prevents new credit or debt from being opened in your name. If you want to apply for a new credit card or auto loan, you will need to temporarily unfreeze your credit. Freezing and unfreezing credit is free service. To freeze or unfreeze your credit accounts with all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, Transunion, you will need to register and follow these steps for each. For Equifax, log into the site on the screen and navigate to the Manage Freeze section. For Experian, log into the site on the screen and navigate to the Security Freeze section. And for Transunion, log into the site on the screen and navigate to Credit Freeze section. You can also find all these links in the description section of this video below. Additionally, you should place a fraud alert on your credit file at Experian. Fraud Alert is a free service that requires creditors to take extra steps to verify your identity before processing credit in your name. It automatically triggers fraud alerts at the other two major credit bureaus as well. In addition to Credit Freeze and Fraud Alert, you should change all your passwords, particularly if you have repeated passwords among multiple websites. Ideally, you should enable multi-factor authentication for personal websites to help to help keep your financial data secure. You can also identify and sign up for theft monitoring tools that will let you know if someone tries to open an account. The bottom line for protecting against data breaches involves implementing a comprehensive set of strategies and best practices to keep yourself cyber safe. Please subscribe to this channel for updates on future videos, and thank you for watching.